Planarian worms are small flatworms that live all over the world, in ponds, rivers, and even on land in damp soil. They are usually less than 1 inch long. They have a flat leaf-shaped body and 2 simple eye spots that can sense light. There are many different kinds, and some reproduce by laying eggs, while others simply split themselves in 2 to make new worms. What's amazing about planarian worms is their power to regenerate. If you cut one into 2 pieces, each piece will grow back into a complete, fully working worm. Even a tiny piece can regrow a whole new head, tail, and all the organs inside. Scientists discovered that this is possible because planarian worms have an unlimited supply of special cells called stem cells. Think of them as blank building blocks that can become any part of the body. These worms also have a special enzyme that protects their DNA from getting damaged as they age. In most animals, including humans, our cells can only divide a certain number of times before they start to wear out. Planarians seem to avoid that problem. Their stem cells keep working perfectly even when the worm is very old. That's why scientists think they might be immortal, unless they get eaten or sick. Scientists are studying planarians to learn how to keep human cells healthy for longer. If we could understand how their stem cells never run out, maybe we could one day create treatments that help our own cells repair damaged organs, like the heart or liver. Human bodies are much more complex than a worm's. We have very few of those powerful stem cells, and they are tightly controlled, because if they grow too